right? Yung ko option method whole line but yung A ka B ka kya tayo have 240 2B minus A na 4. If we take the first option B ki chahi do 12 na law tara ka di, let's check sige equation ani just satisfy to yung if sige equation ani just satisfy to tara ka di, this is the correct answer. Let's say B is 12. B 12 hoy tara ka di ama data put to sal
24.
si 1 ne haro si 2 ne haro. Let's say adu tadi 1 that sinan gera 2 da sinan gera apam any of the value. Let's say 2 na khar line ni 2 da put to tara ka di, if you putting into let's say then kya tara 24 minus A is going to be 4. So what is A? A is going to be 20. Now equation 1 satisfied to A ki 20 le rahe, B ki 12 le rahe. Now multiply to 1 is 20 into 12 which is 240 which is true. So the option is correct. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Highway 1. Aduna sometimes question je koi na kano to tara kadi noina thengada bu question lagta ra kadi go by the option method haibni. Aina haining is question ki variation mayam mo na panghap ta pa yai. Masai sam sam question do lagta ra kadi method to apply taro. Otherwise go by the option method. Elimination method is the best way to tackle the question. Atu ki wa katne ate ke sutho ko yaw de. Atai di chama na bu question lagta ni. Tingnan na di ka sutho ko yaw de ne. Okay. Right. So sida koi na ratio and proportion ki method na AS ka kano ka su koi na dun solution ba yare. So nothing is there actually solve to nga kasu yaw to bani mayam pang papakat pagi wani. Okay, so AS loira bani na hojik so let's start with the the next topic okay let's go by percentage method. Okay, percentage method tagi always question ama natraga ani dum hange. So let's move to the percentage method. Okay, percentage question kharatos. So first of all let's understand what is percentage. Percentage I believe you know what do you mean by percentage? So what is percentage? Percentage I believe out of 100 I believe. The meaning is nothing but out of 100. Okay, the way in order to compare between the two unequal quantities. Why the percentage is created? A ko bom later, B ko bom later. Okay, total marks score A score is A let's say A score how much? 80 marks are total na let's say 100, right? B score let's say kya hai siga 120 hello. Okay, 120 out of 200. Now akoy who is better student, A or B? A score na phajabra or B score na phajabra? Which one is better?
B.
Which one is better? B na 120 fange na B na hele hai tu raba. B score na phajai hai tu raba. A score na phajai ko, right? But why hanga di? Because yang ko amana fangis na out of 100 ki manung da 80 ne. Akoy na siya ni se mana de na. Here the totals are not equal. Here one is 100, another one is 200. So we cannot compare between A and B. A and B ki marakta koy na comparison akoy tawba yaro hai. Aduna what we created is the concept of percentage. Percentage everything should be calculated out of 100 having. So akoy na percentage putre. Yang kama yang A ki percentage puto kaya tadi A got how much? 80. So 80 birani total kya ki manung da 100 ki manung da and then into 100 taune. Okay, so that means A ki percentage se 80% ne na high gane. Now how about B? B kya fangi 120. So B is 120 fungi out of kya tha? 200 into 100 tawne. So if you calculate this, kya tare? 60% tane. So B ki percentage hai 60%, whereas A ki percentage is 80%. So A is better than B. So the percentage size ke dauna ba puthora ko no magi kai gumba base manada taragadi 100 sidana 100 whereas then 200 ani se manada bani na comparison tawba yana ba ko na puthora pagi wane. Okay, right. Kentani ko hai badi cham akoina khangbe height on matam da karam bada koina measure tawba. One is meter, another one is centimeter, right? Adu dana meter ga centimeter ga on matam da conversion ama tawda di yade dana manahan da bam di yade dana in order to height to karam bana heli which is longer, I mean which is karam bana taller oigena yengba matam da adu mai tawdana percentage size to kam nati magi base to man 100 to loy holak poi everything is reduced to 100 happy one. Okay, yani ko now percentage di kitang kitang sangani have art di magi the concept khara lady, that concept we have to understand it first. Okay, aduga yeng si question tam na kari koi hot pa ya ka dagi have to, right? Yam advanced method to lay adubu advanced method ye ko yam kana dakar oi dabra na khali for CSAT. Okay, adubu yeng si kari hot pa ya ka percentage tagi 1 or 2 question always la kani ko. So see matang simadi you have to be very careful. Okay, can I rub this? So delete the way araba yare ko. Okay, now percentage the see value khara jidi simphapu salo ko. This is very basic. First of all 10% है कई का माना गया है 10% है 1 by 10 का माना. This is number 1. Now with example ita आगे को 10% है 1 by 10 का माना. So if you are asked 10% of 120 पुतो है तारा का दी क्या मतलब it is nothing but 120 divided by 10 है बनी. Okay, so that means the value is going to be 12, right? Now again if you are asked 10% of 128 puto hai tara ka di, the value is nothing but 128 divided by 10. So this is going to be 12.8. Okay, yani ko stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 the pura shortcut tarsi. Now if you are asked to find 10% of let's say 725, so what should be the value? 72.5 tane. Okay, now again if you are asked to find 10% of 107.2, then what should be the value? It should be 10.72. Right side the 1 plus. Decimal dagi right side the 1, left side. Okay, 1 plus on the left side la ka 10% hoita rakate. Is that okay? Percentage puto pa tam jinga si ko. Yare ko. Okay, so this is the concept 10% puto. Now on the same line let's calculate 1% have kai ga mane hai kan the 1% is nothing but 1 by 100 hai bane, right? So that means akoy the 1% of 120 puto hai tara ka di, that is nothing but divide 120 by 100 hai bane. Okay, and that will be 1.2. Now similarly on the same line 1% of 128 puto hai tara ka di, what is the value? how much? 128 divided
1.28.
1.28. So shortcut if you are asked 1% of 725, so what will be the value? 7.25 tagane have. So what logic we are going to apply? If you have to find 1%, right? 1% of, let's say, 107.2, that means this will be 1.072. Have the 2 placed on the left side. Left 1% or gonna left 10% or gonna left only 1. Okay, you know I can say 0 10% means 10. 1% that we have 2 zeros. Left ani chakka. Is that okay? Yaraba. Move to let's move to the next. 1% put 10% put next thing is that 20 to the sana. Let's see basic to talk. 25% means
1 by 4.
1 by 4. In exam, let's say 25% of 848. That means divide 848 by 4. So that will be 212. Now, sigi panbaya the problem. If suppose exam the 25% of, let's say 143. This is not divisible by 4. 4 na divide the way right? In that case, don't use this 1 by 4 method. Okay. 4 na divide the way this now. Otherwise, don't use this 1 by 4. Okay, you know if you divide 143 by 4, then it will consume your time. But it will consume your time. So we have another method. But anyway, just an example divide the way. So all you have to remember is 25% is 1 by 4. Okay. Next thing is 50%. 50% means 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
So calculate the 50% of 126. That means 126 by 2. Right? Okay. Next one. 75. 75% is nothing but 3 by 4. Okay. 75% I believe is nothing but 3 by 4 I believe. So example, if we are asked 75% of 124 hierarchy. So it will be 3 by 4 into 124. Okay. 94. Sigi basic 100% hierarchy is equal with 1. Example. 100% of 123 is nothing but 123 itself. Okay. Yani ko? Right. Ado ako'y na dakar oise application duni dakar oise. Yang si question ama ni sumuholaga kamaina ako'y na percentage concepts eh. Sida kay question ha ke have. Right. Okay. रब तो वो यार है को याद रही जा रहा है ओके Next one. Some question kara ka hoche. Anyway, I know the advanced method advanced method because know that you have actually at the exam the CSAT ka is the matam yam phangena in a low way atop exam compared to banking and other SSC gumbadi whether the advanced method talked away. But anyway, let's see, just calculate those. Okay, let's say 4% of 3125 calculate. So how we are going to calculate? 4% put okay, 34 divided by 100. Right? So this is the basic way. The basic class 7, 8, 9, 10. That the method. Then you have to do like cancel and all that. Right? Okay. Then we do with one more. 4% of 3125 put okay. First you need to calculate what is 1% of 3125. What is the unitary method based on? What is 1% of 3125? Tell me.
1%.
Yeah, 1% means on the left
31.25.
31.25. Right. But we have to find what percent? 4%. 1 4 lakh we have to multiply by 4. So 4% of 3.5 is nothing but 31.25 into 4. So this will be how much? 125. Okay. So then right? 5 right? 5 right? Or you apply this method. That is up to you. Okay. Choose this one. Whichever is more suitable to you. Okay. Let's say if I ask 12% of 1468 to then how you are going to calculate? Normal way the what 12% of 12 by 100 into 1468, and then you cancel and all that. This is the basic. Okay. Cancel down a row, divide the row, you will get the value. I'm not complaining, okay? But the thing is that kitang more advanced way to 12% I was there. Atopa method. This is all. 12% I have my breakdown 12% is nothing but 10% plus 2%. Can I say? Now 10% of 1468 I have here. 10% of 1468 it is nothing but 146.8. Right? So this 10% is nothing but 146.8 plus. Now we need 2%. Okay, 2% darkar hoy. 2% puto kahita the first calculate 1%. 1% of 468 is nothing but how much? 14.68. Right? 1% haita the right left side place kya? 2 place 1 and 2. 14.68. Now we need 2%. 2 puto kahita the si 2 tahan kahita the kya na multiply tauni? 2 na multiply tauni. So just multiply 29.36. Now you add this 2 and you will get your value. So minor line put okay hebra, or you cancel and divide toraga put okay hebra. That is up to you. Karamana lai hai do no khanjaro. Okay, question percentage put hai na di no the question di hangu ai exam da. The question will be like how je koi na mathang toraka dauri question ju. See the basic ne koi na how to calculate the percentage I have koi na tamam bagi one. Yeah, okay. Let's focus on the exam-based questions. Exam-based question how does you use? So see symbol loy the hero, okay. Then go ahead. Yeah, Okay, now let's move to the question. Here, if A salary is 20% more than that of B, then how much B salary is less than that of A? Right. Okay, so let me write down the options. Second, 20%. Third, we have 40. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and give me the answer. A salary is 20% more than that of B. A की salary is na B की salary दगी 20% हेल है तो ताकि B salary is na A दगी क्या less हो गया है? How much?
16 whole 2 by 3
Okay. Okay, what method do you use? Adu na ina hangling is kari karama
R by
method
100 R by 100 plus R into 100%.
Yeah, that typical one formula based question. Natra formula based way badu never use the origin. Natra. Okay. The formula is yaring father na problem. Example the formula has sometimes cow was you with right during the exam, but okay logic to what's yes. Okay. Now start again. A salary to na see what is it? A salary is how much? 20% more than B. That is the statement here. A salary is 20% more than B. So A की salary से कना compare तो you know A की salary से is compared with respect to B, right? A की salary से B की salary का compare to right? Now, so what I'm saying is that you take the salary of B as 100. यार देखो B की salary तो 100 है लो. A ना क्या हेल है बनो? How much? 20%. So A salary is going to be 120. Right? It's the lower. So B na 100 earn to matamda A will earn 120. When B earns 100 rupees, A will earn 120. Now, what is the question? How much B salary is less than that of A? Now, question na hangis na B with respect to A. How much na hang money? Right? Kya less way? B with respect to A is 20 less. 20 natra, ladies. Right. So what is the answer now? The answer is difference is 20, but
20% of 120.
hang is a B salary now with respect to A. Right. B salary with respect to A. Aduna in the denominator it will not be 100, it should be A gitu lakane and then 100. So this is your answer. First, we will say B 100 laure is going to be 120. Now the question is, you have to compare the salary of B with respect to A hyphenem. B with respect to A putu hyphenem. So B with respect to A the 20 less or 20 ire. but you are comparing the A's of B with respect to A, so A will be in the denominator. A की value the denominator the lakane, so 20 by 120 into this. Cancel taro, so 6. So you just divide it, okay? Sitaramani. So this is 3 and this is 50. So this 50 by 3%, this, which will be 16 whole number 2 by 3%. That's it. Is that okay?
Sir,
Oh, I don't.
sir, kainomta hangjageeba sigi kainoje 120 je sije kamai tor laino sir.
Oh, sida yengo. A की salary na B की salary क्या हेली है? 20% हेले है बना थ्रो. So B na 100 lau taragadi, B na 100 lau taragadi A di क्या लाकनी 100 plus 20 हेले है बने 28 तो 120 लाख. यार है? Okay, 100 lau बजे question खरा का ताऊ किसी खरा है ना है ना भाई तारे. Okay? ये question ये हम मतंग ताऊ से. आहान बगी दी concept से नोई गाँव भी आये बको. But percentage concept दी 100 lau na bono. Value oma 100 lau na bono. Then adu ki matung enough ako na move on tawa. No si hai ra matung dai advance ama mutak bi ge ba. Adu itadi loi sham everything is very simple then. Adu si khang da tara ka di advance taw du ngau gi ne. Natra advance oi ta si ro. Si je yare si khango then I will give you another method. Yare same question se atopa method ama dong hot se oh sorry. Let's see this. See method sina si am phajaba but magi kano khara limitation khara di lai bhai tare adu duna ai kitang taknin da bhai tare but anyway ta mage ta ne ta. Okay, so that you see the same question. A salary is 20% hai bani, so 20% hai se kya ka mane 20 by 100 hai bani, actually 1 by 5 hai bani. Is that okay? Right, kanana hindu no. A की salary तो 20% more than that of B है बनी. अरे तादी C कना की salary होई नहीं, C B की salary होई नहीं. Okay, so B की salary तो उसी क्या हुआ है 5. Okay, and this is the season कनो होई तो मागी अहियन बतो. ये दी क्या हुआ है नहीं तो दी. ये will be 1 plus 5. That means 6 ताने हैं. So this would be the increase. इदी हम थी advanced method नहीं को. तो तादी A की क्या तार है? A की 6, B की 5. Now the question is B की salary दो ना A की salary देगी क्या less होई है बनी? क्या less होई? 1. मतलब so required percentage is 1 divided by with respect to Kanaga A की so it will be 1 by 6 into 100. So my whole is here. You will get the same value. But anyway, 100 आना ही किसे असी कौन आता उसे असी दी कौन इराय लाइन लाख पे आवर मतलब असी की limitation खरे लाई अदु दुना आई होनिंग दब. Okay, see the limitation लाई बस there is limitation. See the limitation खरे लाई limitation on this method. Okay, तो ना यारिंग सी method से कोई सिन अरोई सी को अच्छा बदती है क्वेश्चन दो सलाह दी याद है. Okay, let me write down the next question. Symbol already, Loira. Okay, let's do the next question. Okay, let me write down the next question. First, two numbers are respectively 26% and 5%. more than a third number. What percentage? See, percentage are meaning. What percentage is the first of that second number? One 180, 25, and none. Okay. Please attempt this question. Number ahum lies the hiram is a question the numbers in the pyramid. The numbers are not given, but the question is saying that the two number, let's say first number and the second number, is 26% and 5% more than a third number, right? Okay, so we have first number, we have second number, and we have third number. So first number do not third number de kya hai 26. Second number is how much? 5% more than the third number. Now we have to find what person is the first of the second. So first with respect to second. So number ahum sigi manung da first se compare tawi kanaga. Third. Second value dusu kaya heli hai 5% heli hai third number. So which value we have to take 100? Karamba 100 low one. 100 low. Comparison 5,000 value though 100 low. So let's take the third number as 100. Third to the 100 na A will be first number will be how much? Kya heli hai 26.
126.
So this will be 126. Okay. Second number namu kya heli hai 5.
105.
No, 100. Right? So lower. Now, question the hang is na kayo, no? What person is the first of that second? First to na second to gi kaya percentage oigi hai. Difference hang ba nate ko. Okay? The hang is first to compare to hai bani kanaga with respect to the second. So what is the required percentage? First to kanaga compare to hai ba second ga. So numerator the kanala kani, denominator the kanala kani.
Denominator the first ki lagani.
No. Compare to hai se kanaga no. First to kanaga compare to hai ba.
Second ke compare to.
Aduna compare to your value to the makada lakado here.
Okay.
Second value. Aduga 126 na mathak and then into 100 to you. And this is your value. Cancel out tomorrow you will get something. Aduni kya tagyo
120, sir.
120. Sure.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Kya ano kakpe 5 na 20 21, right? 21 how many times? 6. Okay. 6 into 20. So 120. So the correct option is 120%. Okay. Yareko? Okay. Let's do one more question. 100 low baje hai radi question hot hai. Okay. Rab to bhai yareko. Alright. Let's move to the next question. If the price of 1 kg have any con. If the price of 1 kg of rice is increased by 25%, the increased amount is rupees 12. Find the new price. 48. Sometimes it creates problem. Right. Okay, give me the answer very fast. Price of 1 kg the 25% hengale hai. Okay, hengale ka paisa do kya kamane hai ba? 12 rupees kamane hai. The increased amount. Okay. Tadi, what is the new price? Original price hai bam legi ni?
48.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's less than 1 minute. Move to rubber. Okay, very quickly, let's do that. Original price to 100 and laro. What is the new price? 125 because 25% here level. Right? According to the question, increase amount have. Increase amount means kya? 25 to. 25 to kya kamane hai ba? Rupees 12. And we have to find the new price. New price means 125. 125 put okay, 25 is equal to 12. 125 tahan gaya di kya na puri. I can multiply by 5.
5.
So 5 is puri 60. So the answer is 60. Yani ka? So the answer is 60. Kya original price to na 100 na new price